Hey YouTube, this is my garden. I turned my backyard into a big garden. But I'm out here because there's kind of a roaring sound. How do you say it? It's like something in the sky. I don't know what to call it. It's like a roaring sound. On this side of the sky, as you can see, we have normal clouds and not a perfectly blue sky, but a little better than what we got over here. But it was over there that'd be the west, and it seems to have just about went away. But what I was hearing was this roaring sound. It was like a heavy-duty helicopter, but you couldn't see anything. Hopefully you enjoy the flowers. Lots of flowers. And veggies. And squash. They're just starting to bloom, but you know what? That makes them a whole month early up here in Michigander country. I got sunflowers out. See them over there? Yeah, I got one right here that's about ready to pop out. Got a trumpet vine going. Hair's either going in the ground or removing. And I've never seen my onions go to seed this early and this big. It's interesting. It really is. Well, happy 4th of July to everybody. That's the main reason for the video, other than the weird sound, which I kept hearing, but I don't know until I play this whether or not I still hear it. You hear it? Well, this is life, I guess. Well, happy 4th.